Deuk plasma rhizotomy for knee pain caused by degenerative joint disease, only available at Deuk Joint Institute. Knee injury causes joint capsule tear. Arthritis and knee pain develop over time. Knee pain caused by degenerative joint disease. Normal movement. Trauma causes a capsule tear, inflammation causes knee pain, then pain signals travel along the genicular nerves. The best treatment for arthritis pain in the knee is the Deuk plasma rhizotomy. A 4 mm incision is made. The Deuk plasma wand is inserted to perform a permanent rhizotomy. There is minimal bleeding and a Band-Aid-sized incision. The advantages of the Deuk plasma rhizotomy for degenerative joint disease of the knee is that it's an outpatient procedure that will take only 30 minutes with minimal bleeding and pain, followed by an immediate recovery and return to work the next day. Delivers with a 90% success rate, resulting in pain relief with a single treatment. For more details, please visit our website at www.deukjoint.com or give us a call at 321-255-6670.